According to the National Electrical Code, split bolt connectors must be tapped with friction tape. NEC 110.14b states that electrical connections shall be made only in approved junction boxes, device boxes, fittings, or other approved enclosures. Connections must be made so that they will not deteriorate in service or become unsafe. Regarding terminals, conductors shall be connected within an approved device or fitting unless otherwise permitted in this code. Connections shall be made by means of pressure-type connectors listed for the purpose, solderless connectors listed for the purpose, or by solder or brazing. Terminals for more than one conductor must be listed for the purpose and shall be of a type that will not deteriorate under the conditions of use. NEC 250.8 addresses split bolt connectors specifically, outlining several key requirements. Firstly, split bolt connectors must be suitable for the use and approved for the purpose. Secondly, split bolt connectors must be of a size suitable for the conductors and the number of conductors connected. Thirdly, split bolt connectors must be listed for the number and size of conductors and the material of the conductor. Fourthly, there are inspection requirements for split bolt connectors. Before installation, a split bolt connector must be inspected to ensure that it is free from broken or missing parts or other defects that may affect its performance. After installation, a split bolt connector must be inspected to ensure several things, including first, that all conductors are properly connected and the connections are secure. Second, that the split bolt connector is properly tightened. Third, that the appropriate number of turns of friction tape has been applied. NEC 110.14b4 further clarifies the role of friction tape, stating that friction tape must be used to protect mechanical connections and splices of solid conductors and must not be used in place of solder or other approved means of joining conductors. Therefore, based on the NEC, split bolts must be tapped with friction tape.